Birthday mo pala. Papakapi ka. Happy birthday, Sister Laarni. Patuloy lang sa mananampalataya and si Lord ng bahalang tulungan ka sa mga pangarap mo para kay Gion, sa family mo na matupad. Salamat, happy birthday. God bless.
Hey, to you, Lani.
Sana ma-happy ka, tapos more blessings.
최고.
Happy birthday, Sister Laarni. Verse ko para sa iyo, Psalms 27 verse 4. Delight yourself in the Lord and He will give you the desires of your heart. Happy birthday again. God bless.
Happy birthday po. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless you.
Happy 40th birthday, Laarni. More birthdays to come. God bless. Love you.
Hello, Sis Laarni. Isang maligayang kaarawan para sa iyo. Sana ay bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay at patuloy ka pang makapaglingkod kay Lord sa pamamagitan ng iyong pagkanta. Sana mag-enjoy ka at sana makain ka. Love you.
Hello! Happy birthday, Sis Laarni, on this special day of yours. May God's amazing love be with you and make you the recipient of the most beautiful things in life. Again, happy birthday, and stay what you are. Yun lang.
Hi, my dear friend! Hello, kamusta ka na yun? I miss you so much, you know? I miss our chika-chika always. Ayan. Pero ngayon, bihira na tayong nagkikita. But you know that we still are friends, are strong and valued. Ay, ang bilis ng panahon. Parang kailan lang nung nagkita tayo before 10 years ago. Akala ko nasa 20s ka pa lang. Hindi halata by height. I'm sorry. Please. Ayan yun. You know that I miss you so much. And one of our friend na nagsabi na, "Uy, it's Laarni birthday tomorrow. Kaya please, let's greet her a happy birthday." So I am here, feeling vlogger. I greet you a happy birthday. Happy 40th birthday. Ang daming happy, ano? Ayan. And hopefully, yun, nag-enjoy ka sa iyong birthday. May God bless you. May God gives you a good health always to take care of your son, Jihoon. And bright as you do always. Ayan, 40s is the beginning of our girl lives. So, habang bata pa, mag-enjoy ka na. Kasi mahirap nang magtinding-tinding kapag may edad na. Oh my God. Ayan yun. We are so excited na makwento mo sa amin. Machika mo sa amin. Ikaw muna nauna eh. So, kailangan may chika to after. And yun, enjoy your birthday. And I miss you. And I love you so much. As a friends, we value you. I love you. Mwah.
Hello! Hindi ko alam kung anong oras ito ipaparinig sa'yo, no? So, but anyway, hello Laarni. Itong video na to ay gawa ko para sa'yo. Sana pagdamutan mo ang aking gift. Wala akong regalo, kundi ang always prayers sa inyong lahat diyan. Lalo, syempre na ikaw laging mag-iingat, maging successful sa lahat ng mga dreams mo. At syempre, lalo na you are a single mom at lagi kang gabayan ni Lord sa lahat ng mga desisyon mo na laging tama at sana more ka pang maging strong. Ayan. You are already 40 years old, but naman sa gandang yan. Hindi maniniwalang 40 ka na. So, stay young, stay beautiful, stay humble, stay what you are. Kung ano yung pagkakakilala ko sa iyo noon, diba? Sana wag magbago yun. Kasi yun ay regalo ni Lord sa atin. Yung mga ugali natin na mapagmahal, mabait, maunawain, at syempre may sa lahat syempre ng mga bagay-bagay na dapat nating pagtuunan ng pansin, syempre yung ating worship service, di ba? So, nakikita ko naman ang mga improvement ng lahat at natutuwa ako. Although na nalulungkot din kung minsan kasi syempre sana nandyan ako, kasama kayo. Pero time will come at if God's will ba, makabisit ako sa inyo dyan, pero sikreto. Para naman, you know, happy if God's will ba. So anyway, focus tayo sa yung birthday. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Because life is short. So, huwag mong sasayangan ng bawat minuto, bawat segundo na kasama ang iyong anak, ang iyong mga biyanan. Of course, ang lahat-lahat diyan sa worship service, no? Sa school, at sa lahat ng mga gagawin mo, lagi mong isasangguni kay Lord ang lahat ng yan. At hindi ka niya pababayaan. Yun lang ang wish ko, na sana maging masaya, maging maunlad ang life ninyo dyan. Especially to you as a single mom. So, keep it up and always pray and be grateful to the Lord. Whatever na ibinibigay sa atin ng mga blessings, don't forget to be thankful for Him, okay? Bye now. I love you and I miss you and miss you all also. Bye! Happy birthday once again!
Hi, Tila Arnie! Happy birthday! Akalain mo yung 40 years old ka na pala? Hindi halata. Mukha ka lang 39. Wish namin na nawa ay makamit mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Mapera lang sa pangarap mong height kasi mukhang tagilid na tayo doon. Joke lang. Yun lang, wish namin na yun nga, makamit mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Nawa ay gabayan ka ng Lord sa kung anumang desisyon na bubuo sa kaisipan mo palagi. Sa pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay, nawa ay kalakasan palagi ng katawan at ilayo sa anumang sakit at kapahamakan. Stay pretty, stay funny, ingat palagi, happy birthday ulit.
Happy 23rd birthday, Sis Larnie. 23rd, 24th. Wish ko matupad lahat ng wish mo.
Happy birthday ulit, Ate Lines. Sana ma-enjoy mo tong araw na to and may God lead you all throughout your life. Happy birthday, may tutok sa akin.
Hi! Happy birthday, Larnie. Welcome to Fortis. Wish ko lang sa'yo is enjoy na lang natin ang buhay. Huwag tayong magpaka-stress. Kasi yung stress nakakapangit yan. At may ano pala ako sa'yo. Dahil Fortis ka na. Kailangan mo na ng mga pang-plus. Love you!
Hi Ate Doy! Happy birthday! Iya and I miss you so much na. Balik na sa Philippines para na natilaag again. Anyways, I wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Bye!
Hi Lacey Lee! You're 40 years old already. Anyway, I thank God that He brought you to our lives because surely you are a gift. And today we are celebrating God's gift to us, which is you. So, happy birthday and may you enjoy this day. God bless you always.
Hi Lacey! Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Stay healthy and pretty. And thank you for everything that you have done. And that's all.
Happy birthday, Larnie. And hopefully more birthdays to come, more blessings. And thank you for the accommodation here. We're so lucky.
Birthday, Ate Larnie. I hope you have more blessings in your birthdays. God bless you. Birthday, Mommy. Oh.
What else?
I love you.
What else?
Finish.
Finish?
Yeah.
Happy birthday!